Now, Jamaica's female cricketers started their Women's Regional T20 Championship on a winning note after a comfortable 8-wicket win over Guyana at Sabina Park last night. There were also wins for defending champions Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados. More in this report. Americans won the toss and inserted Guyana in the day-night affair, a decision which proved to be the right one. The Guyanese struggled to get going and were eventually restricted to 75 for 8 off their 20 overs, with Roshana Attar claiming 3 for 12 and Captain Stefani Taylor 2 for 11, both from 4 overs. Shanita Grimmond top scored for Guyana with 24, while Extras was the next best scorer with 17. In reply, the Cleon Smith-coached team eased to victory at 76 for 2 off 16.2 overs, with Jodie and Morgan top scoring with 19, with support from Natasha McLean 16 not out, and Taylor returning to make 16.
We spoke earlier in the team meeting that we wanted to start the tournament on a high, and I thought the bowling unit did really well today, and finish off with the batting. Yeah, I think sometimes when you're playing at home and you see your home crowd, you really want to do well, and I think it was a bit of nerves and players being a bit shaky, but I know that once we get going we will pick up, and I thought with 1 wicket, getting that 1 wicket actually turned the game for us.
Taylor's side will next be in action on Tuesday at the Kensington Oval in a 2:30 encounter. Earlier, defending champions Trinidad and Tobago also made a winning start after a comprehensive 68-run win over the Leeward Islands in the first match of the doubleheader at Sabina Park. The Twin Island Republic first posted 132 for 8, with Stacey and King scoring 38 not out, while Renice Boyce got 25. In response, the Eastern Caribbean ladies could only muster 64 for 5 from their 20 overs, as King returned to pick up 2 for 13.
Yeah, I think our main objective was to just go out there and make sure that we hit all areas. I think we did that. The pitch didn't really play the way we wanted it to. The ball wasn't coming on, but I think Stacey and King really went out there and make sure she put a good score on the ball for the team, and I think it was a collective everybody just come together and make sure that we won this game, and I'm really happy from the start.
Elsewhere, Barbados recorded an opening match win as they sealed an 18-run victory over the Windward Islands at Kensington Park. Batting first, Barbados posted 101 all out with Deandra Dottin 40 against Akira Peters 2 for 9, Kiana Joseph 2 for 24 and Vanisha King 2 for 35. The Windwards, in reply, could only manage 83 for 8 from their 20 overs, with Joseph returning to score 14 against Shamela Connell 2 for 14.
I am happy with the win, but we didn't hit the targets that we wanted to hit with the bat for sure. We thought we got ourselves into a position where we should have gone to at least 120 after being 80 something odd in 14 overs. We thought that we should have gone to at least 120, but we had a collapse at the end, and as a result we only managed to make 100. But we know we have a very good bowling team, and we were confident defending that on this wicket.
On Tuesday, Trinidad and Tobago will oppose Guyana starting at 9:30 a.m, while Barbados and the Leeward Islands square off at 6:30 p.m. Both matches are being played at Sabina Park.